You cannot tell me this is not my hair. Stop playing with me. It's giving scalp, honey. Bienvenidos, muses. Regresé con otro video. I felt like I had to do that just for nostalgia purposes. Today's video, we're doing a peluca. Okay, we're putting on nuestra peluca. You guys saw me wearing this peluca right here in this video. If you follow me on TikTok or Instagram, I'm not sure porque tú no me estás siguiendo. We'll talk about it later. But, you know, just go ahead and follow, whatever. But no, I recently posted a video with me with this wig. And when I tell you, you don't have to do nothing to this peluca, okay? All I did was literally cut the lace and put it on with a little spray. I'm gonna show you how I did it. And I was like, I'm not buying no more wigs that require me to do stuff other than cut the lace. There's wigs now that you have like a fake scalp. I am very appreciative of these times porque como si tú eres como yo, we don't have a lot of time, okay? Although this is a frontal, and I've been fiending for like a frontal lately because I'm like, I want like a, you know, the whole thing, but you definitely have some options. It's a lot of hair, but we're gonna get cute and we're gonna do it together. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, y vamos a comenzar. Did I mention I spent my own money on this? Yeah. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna just get some foundation and we're gonna prep her. Take a little foundation and I'm just literally working it in. I've been really inspired to get back into do more long form content. I just feel like I have so much to say and sometimes I can't get my point across in 3 minutes or 60 seconds or a minute and 30 seconds. Like it's too much pressure. Don't mind this. This is a little lace band that I'm obsessed with. It kind of holds the wig together. I am not doing the whole gluing the wig down, the wig cap on. No way hace esa vaina. Because I'm going to the gym, and once that baby starts like heading backwards, I'll be like, girl, there is no wig, there's no glue that I've used that has made my lace last more than 2 weeks. Like even 2 weeks is still like I have to be really like, you know? Okay, so anyways, so here's the lace now. Alrighty. And we're just going to, can you guys like see? I didn't do nothing to this wig other than add my own foundation. Like, I promise y'all. So I'm just gonna get some hair clips. Oh my gosh. The way we're gonna really have to tame these curls. Pray for me. Hold on. Alright, so what I'm gonna do first is, I'm just gonna flip her that way. Not my cup being in the way. I'm officially a Stanley girl. I get the hype. I gave in because I need all I can to start drinking a lot more water. So you all know we're on a fitness journey. First things first, I'm gonna go in with my bold holds. I'm hoping I can use this wig for the gym tomorrow. So I'm praying. I went ahead and added my bold hold. Okay, first layer está puesta. Now remember, you're gonna take your blow dryer and put it on cold. Ponlo en frío. Un poquito más. A little bit more, especially to these ends, because the sideburns really be having me like, girl. I cannot believe summer's almost over. I'm getting so nervous too because like it's time for kids to go back to school and that's gonna be me. Like that's my reality. In like a few years, that's my reality. Like my son's gonna be going to school and I'm like, oh my God, like I'm gonna cry because it's like leaving my kid with somebody who's not me. What am I gonna do, mommy? Y'all gonna have to give me all, y'all gonna really have to support your girl because I'm already getting like, I guess, mortified at that idea. And we have at least like what, we have like 4 years. I know sometimes you can even start daycare sooner, but no, I don't want my baby all to myself. But the best way for him to grow and like have personality is for him to be thrown into, you know, spaces where he can blossom. Because if I keep him to myself, then the world won't get to see how awesome he is. We were in Universal Studios. Okay, now we're like going to another, you know, another conversation, but I have to share. We were in Universal Studios, and you know how they have like the child switch? He can't clearly go on any of the rides, so we were just switching, so this child switch, and it was the first time Carter saw kids his age, babies his age, and you would have thought Carter would have been scared. Mi hijo se tiró con todo el muchacho. And John and I are, first of all, I thought I would be a lot more like, my baby, nobody touch him, but I've been very relaxed. Like, I don't know, there's something about my son that feels very like me, that I'm just like, he's gonna be alright. Like, that's my kid, he's gonna be fine. So when he saw all the other babies, like they were around his age or some were a little older, but still around like the same height, he was so excited. He starts playing around. This is hilarious. He starts going to all the kids, and John's like, my fiance, I know John. No, Monica, be careful. I'm like, be careful. I'm more concerned of Carter, because Carter is over here thinking he's like, what's that Ice Age? When it's like the thing like that, I forgot what the mammal's called, where she thought she was like one of the big animals. I don't know. Carter thought he was one of them, okay? And he is, but he was a lot younger. But my baby was like there, like, yo, here I am. And I said, go baby. Okay, so, okay, I just want to share with that. Okay, where are we? What are we doing right now? Okay, Peluca, hold on. All right, to really lock it in, I'm gonna go in with some even. Y'all, no shade to got to be. No shade. I think you still do what has to get done. Like, if I had nowhere else to go and I had to use you, absolutely I would use you. And I think you probably could with these kind of pelucas now. But let me say something about this even. This even Wonder Lace Bond. Si tú sabes, tú sabes. This right here, it's my absolute go-to. I don't know what else I would use. It's the best. It's the best. It's given this wig is gonna be on all week. Okay. Boom. Okay, we're just gonna start laying her. As you can see, I mean, first and foremost, look at this. Look at this. So right now, we have the lace being good from that way. Like, that looks so good. So what I do want to do is add some more glue. Just gonna melt it. As you can see, it literally is melting. All right, so this is what the wig is looking. I cut a few of the laces off, but stop playing with me. Stop playing with them, Riot. Okay. So I'm just gonna take my spray. And let the wig do what it do. Like, this spray, you need to give it, just make sure you put the blow dryer on. She is gonna lay it down. It's giving Puerto Rican.
I felt like a Spanish, like a Puerto Rican in this hair.
I'm gonna go in with this. My hairstylist told me that this is the mousse you should be using. Okay, and I just like it because it doesn't lift the glue. Okay, I'm gonna take an elastic band. Cause believe it or not, that was the easy part. Like, curly hair is cute and all, but nobody told you about the part where you actually have to make it look good. Cause this is a curly hair unit. So we gonna have to really get her together. First things first, let's separate her into a few parts. Let's do 4 parts. And this is honestly my fault too, because I took her off and I just like, yeah, I'll get back to her. No. Curly hair is a little bit more high maintenance. Water. I'm gonna go in with 4C Only leave-in conditioner, Too Soft. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I'm gonna go in with my brush and I'm just going to really work her in, child. Woo! Oh my gosh, I should have put my watch on. I'm sorry, did y'all see how the hair just looks like, oh, it looks so good. Okay, let's do the other half. Y'all, mira que belleza. Like, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay, hold on. Oh, the frontal queen? I got this on TikTok. Yeah, I got this on TikTok, not on the TikTok. Oh my gosh, I'm getting old. It's given laid and slayed. I'm just gonna apply it. To take a little NW58. I'm sorry, okay. I told you it's a process. That's why I have to brace myself. All right. We're in the middle. There's nothing worse than not being in the middle, y'all. I feel like with curly hair, there has to be some sort of like edges or, you know. All right, I'm just gonna go in with a little concealer. I like cut a little bit of like baby hair just in case I want to like, you know, do a little, let me just do a quick little, yeah. I do think I want to do a little, like I want some, you know, it's a little too down for me. I needed to be a little bit more up. I'm going in with this diffuser from Maintaince. It's giving scalp honey, okay? It's just giving sure. Let me throw this wig on. They're separated. Ustedes me ven. Get into it. And you want to make sure you don't comb out the hair. Like, let it take its course. All right, mi gente, terminamos. Get into the hair. You can't tell me it's not my hair. Like, hold on. You can't get carried away now, okay? I'm obsessed. This is Asteria Hair. This video is not sponsored. I just don't believe in gatekeeping. If I like something, y'all should know about it and y'all should decide for yourselves, okay? Either way, the wig is so good. I got it, I believe, as a 26-inch. Hold on, let me get my recibos. I love the customer service. Like, they not only hit me up on WhatsApp, they also text me like, girl, are you sure this is everything? I'm confirming before I send it, because when I send it, that's it. I was like, oh my gosh, I've never had this type of customer service. And it came really quick, okay? The wig is long curly hair. I'm gonna insert the picture right here just so you guys can kind of, you know, figure it. Like, you know, there's so many wigs, you get overwhelmed. But this, when you see this photo, this is the wig I got. This is 26 inches. The lace is 13x6 HD lace. And the hair density is 250%. Y'all, gaten su cuarto. Porque mira, déjame decirte algo, mi amor. Este es mi cabello. Like, you can't tell me it's not my hair. Okay? You cannot tell me it's not my hair. Stop playing with me. All right, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button, okay? Your girl's trying to be on here a little bit more. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! Adios.